Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's class, let's solve few of the board exam questions from the chapter Linear Inequations. Let's consider the first question. 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11. X belongs to I. As I have told you earlier, whenever we solve any linear inequations which has three terms, first you need to consider the two terms on the left side. 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4. Now we need to bring all the variables to one side and all the numbers to the other side, or all the constants to the other side. So bring 5 to this side. This changes as 2x minus 5x less than or equal to 4 plus 5. We are using rule 1 and 2. Since we are bringing 5x plus 5x to the other side, this becomes minus 5x, and minus 5 to the other side, this becomes plus 5. So whenever you subtract, when you subtract this, you get this as minus 3x less than or equal to 9. And now we need to divide both the sides by minus 3. Whenever you divide any linear inequation by a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses. So this changes as minus 3x by minus 3 greater than or equal to 9 by minus 3. Now cancel minus 3 both the sides. You get this as x greater than or equal to minus 3. 9 by minus 3 is minus 3. That is one part. And this is equal to minus 3 less than or equal to x. This is the reduced form of the terms on the left side. Now we have to consider the terms which are on the right side of the linear inequation. So this becomes 5x plus 4 less than 11. Bring 4 to the other side. This will be 5x less than 11 minus 4, and 5x is less than 7, and dividing by 5 we get this as x less than 7 by 5, or x less than 1.4. 7 by 5 is 1.4. This is the second part of the linear inequation. So when you are combining these two, we get the answer as minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 1.4 comma x belongs to I. That means the replacement set is set of integers. Whether if it is given x belongs to I or z, both represent set of integers. So the solution set is set of all x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 1.4 and x belongs to I. Now let us represent this on the number line. The solutions represent the solution set on the number line, and before that we need to write the solution in the roster form since x belongs to the set of integers. So the solution set will be set of, and we know that here the set of integers contains negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So we can start writing from minus 3, since the first part is minus 3 less than or equal to. There is an equal sign, therefore we have to include minus 3 also in our solution set. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So we cannot take the next number since the solutions of this linear inequation where the x values are less than 1.4. So 1 is the last integer we can consider. Now let's represent this on the number line. We get this as at the center 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It keeps going, and on the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It goes in this way. Now let's mark a dot on the dot just above the number where the solution set is there. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is how we can graph the solution on the number line. Now look at the next question. Minus x by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 3 less than 1 by 6. X belongs to R. Solve and graph the solution set on the number line. So first let's consider the left side. We get this as minus x by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 4 by 3. We have to convert this into the improper fraction. So we get this as minus 4 by 3. Now bring all the variables one side and the numbers to the other side. minus x by 3 minus x by 2 less than or equal to minus 4 by 3. Now take the LCM here. The LCM will be 6, and upon 6 this is minus 2x minus 3x less than or equal to minus 4 by 3. After simplification we get this as minus 5x by 6 less than or equal to minus 4 by 3. Now we need to make the coefficient of x as 1. Since we need to combine both the reduced forms, we have to multiply this with minus 6 by 5. Now multiplying by minus 6 by 5 on both the sides, minus 6 by 5 on both the sides, we get this as minus 6 by 5 into minus 5 by 6x less than or equal to minus 4 by 3 into minus 6 by 5. So as we know, we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses, so this becomes greater than or equal to. And now here when you are simplifying, we get this as x greater than or equal to 3 2s are 6 minus into minus plus 8 by 5, or x greater than or equal to 1.6. This is the reduced form what we get when you are simplifying on the left side. So x greater than or equal to 1.6 is the first part, and we can write the same as 1.6 is less than or equal to x. Now consider the right side part. After simplification, we get this as x by 2 minus 4 by 3 less than 1 by 6, or x by 2 is less than 1 by 6 plus 4 by 3 using the rule 2. Then x by 2 less than 6 is the LCM upon 6, 1 plus 8, and this is x by 2 less than 9 by 6, cancelling by 3. This will be 3 by 2. So x by 2 is less than 3 by 2. Multiplying by 2 both the sides, we get this as x less than 3. And when you are combining these two values, we have got the reduced form in the first part as 1.6 is less than or equal to x. So 1.6 less than or equal to x comma x less than 3. When we combine these two, we get this as 1.6 less than or equal to x less than 3. Therefore, the solution set is set of all x such that 1.6 less than or equal to x less than 3 comma x belongs to R. Here the replacement set is the set of real numbers. Now let's represent this on the number line. We get this as, this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And on the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. It keeps going. So when you are representing this on the number line, we have to mark 1.6. Since the replacement set is a set of real numbers, we need to mark that particular point 1.6 on the number line. Then it goes up to 3, and now we need to see whether those end point of the ranges are included or not. Here 1.6 is included since it is less than or equal to. So we need to start our number line from 1.6 to 3, but 3 is not included. So you need to have hollow circle above 3, and 1.6 has a darkened circle. So your value will be from 1.6 to 3, where 3 is not included. This is your solution set for this particular expression. Consider the next question. Minus 2 5 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2 x by 3 less than or equal to 2. X belongs to W. Solve and graph the solution set on the number line. Consider the terms on the left side. You get this as minus 17 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. Here we have to make this as the improper fraction because it's given in the mixed form. Now bring all the numbers to one side. You get this as minus 17 by 6 minus 1 by 2 less than minus 2x by 3. Now when you are simplifying this, 6 is the denominator, upon 6 minus 17 minus 3 less than minus 2x by 3. Here this will be minus 20 by 6 less than minus 2x by 3. We need to make the coefficient of x as 1. So multiply both the sides by minus 3 by 2. Multiplying by minus 3 by 2, we get this as minus 3 by 2 into minus 20 by 6 greater than minus 2x by 3 into minus 3 by 2. Here the sign of inequality reverses since we are multiplying it with a negative number. When you simplify, you get this as minus 10. This is 2 and this is same as 10 by 2 greater than x. Here minus into minus plus 10 by 2 greater than minus into minus plus x. And that is same as 5 greater than x or x less than 5. Consider the second part. This will be 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. Bring 1 by 2 to the other side. Minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2 minus 1 by 2. This is same as minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 4 minus 1 by 2. Here we are taking the LCM, 2 is the denominator and we get this as 4 minus 1 by 2. Then this is minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 3 by 2. And again we need to make the coefficient of x as 1. We need to multiply this both the sides by minus 3 by 2. We get this as minus 3 by 2 into minus 2x by 3 greater than or equal to 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. Here the sign of inequality reverses since we are multiplying it with a negative number. So cancelling these terms, you get this as x is greater than or equal to minus 9 by 4 and that is same as x is greater than or equal to minus 2.25. Or we can write this as minus 2.25 less than or equal to x. And the first part is x less than 5. When we are combining these two, we get this as minus 2.25 less than or equal to x less than 5. So the solution set is set of all x is that minus 2.25 less than or equal to x less than 5, x belongs to W. Since here the solution set belongs to the set of whole numbers, we need to write it in the roster form. So the solution set is set the numbers start from minus 2.25. Since the whole number starts from 0, we cannot consider any negative number. So our solution set starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We cannot include 5 since it is strictly less than. And the replacement set is set of whole numbers. So our solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's plot this on the number line. We get this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. It keeps going. And now we need to mark a dot just above the number where the solutions and values are there. Here our values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our solution set and this is how we can plot the solution set on the number line. Now these questions are for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. Here in all these questions you have to solve and graph the solution on the number line. That's all for today. I will meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.